Hello friends, welcome to Catalyst Chemistry YouTube channel. As we discuss most important point, plane of symmetry. Next one is what dextrorotatory and next one is what levorotatory. Dextro means what? In this case the plane of the polarized light rotate towards a what? Right direction, right in direction, that is called what? Dextrorotatory. If the plane of the polarized light rotate towards the left, that is indicate what? Levorotatory. The levorotatory is represented by positive charge, dextrorotatory is represented by what? Negative charge. Okay. Next important point is what? That is plane of symmetry. Plane of symmetry is there, the point we are going to study. Next, before that, in this class we are going to discuss the important point, that is what? Optical isomerism. Just here, optical isomerism, compounds having the same molecular formula, structural formula, but differ in their what? Action. I will tell you what is the meaning. Action on plane polarized light. You know very well that plane polarized light is completely work on Nicol prism. It completely work on what? Nicol prism. When a light pass through a solution, in that case what? There is a oscillation takes place. Okay, that is a process indicate what? Plane of polarized light. You know very well about that light is having a dual property. One is what? Waves, another one is what? Particle in nature. Okay, just here in this case also what? This is a solution is there. Means what is the name of this one? Lactic acid is there. Lactic acid is a common example. 2-hydroxypropanoic acid is a IPC example. Okay, just here in this case 2-hydroxy means what? COH is a functional group. Here one is OH is there. This OH is act as a means what? Secondary functional group. But in this case what? The major principal functional group is what? Carboxylic acid. You know that is the order of what? IPC nomenclature is there. Rule 9 is there. No, that is most important. That's why in this case numbering 1. Next after that this is a 2. Next this is 3. Okay, this is how many carbons are there? Totally 3 carbons are there. Okay, just here this OH is act as a what? That is what? This is act as a prefix. Okay, this is act as a what? Suffix. That's why 2-hydroxy. Just here 2-hydroxy. How many carbons are there? 3 carbons are there. Propanoic acid. 2-hydroxypropanoic acid is a IPC nomenclature. The common name is a what? Lactic acid. Okay, that lactic acid is present in what? Milk. Okay. Here definition is there. Just here compounds having the same molecular formula. Isomerism means you know very well about that same molecular formula. Okay. Next in this case what? Structural formula, but differ in their what? Action on plane polarized light. Okay, just here in this case this OH group is present in a what? Right side. Okay, if you just see, if the OH group is present in a right side means what? This one is indicate what? Positive. This one is indicate what? Positive. Means indirectly this is a what? Dextrorotatory is possible. Okay, it is clear. Next, this example I am going to write like this. Just see here. COOH is there. Next, this is what? C. Here H is there. Next, in this case I am going to write a OH. Next one is what? CS3. This is what is the difference between these two? Here OH is present in right side. In this case the OH is present in what? Left side. If the OH is present in what? Left side, that is indicate what? Minus charge. When you are going to get a minus charge, this minus plus we are going to find out only with the help of the practical. Okay, that is what most important point. Okay, that's why in this case what happen? If the OH group is present in a left side, that is what? Negative. When we are going to pass the plane of the polarized light, in definition differing in their action on plane of the polarized light. If you are going to take this solution, lactic acid solution, in that case you are going to pass a plane of the polarized light. That time it can, if the plane of the polarized light is rotated towards the right, that is called what? Positive. If the plane of the polarized light rotated towards the left, that is indicate what? Negative. With the help of the plane of the polarized light, we are going to differ between these two. Okay, that is what most important. That is they called as a optical isomerism. This is an example for what? Optical isomerism. Okay, fine. Okay, what are the criteria for optical isomerism? Just here, all molecules which are asymmetric, all molecules which are what? Asymmetric shows optical isomerism. Okay, asymmetric. Next question, what is asymmetric? All asymmetric molecules shows optical isomerism. This is most important point, bear in mind. Okay, next definition is what is asymmetric molecule? Just here, these are the molecules which do not contain plane of symmetry, which do not contain plane of symmetry. Next question arises, what is plane of symmetry? Just here, plane of symmetry is an imaginary plane, which divides the molecules into two equal halves. Halves means what? Part. Two equal part. Okay. If a molecule has a plane of symmetry, hence does not show optical activity. Does not show optical activity means indirectly what? Optical inactive. Optical inactive does not or do not show optical activity means what? Both are same. Okay, just in this case I am going to write optical inactive, no problem. Optical inactive. Optical inactive means what? Do not show the what? Optical activity. Bear in mind, important definition is there. Plane of symmetry is an imaginary plane which divides the molecule into two equal halves. It can divide two equal halves, that is indicate what? A plane of symmetry. If you want, you can take a screenshot. Okay. Hello friends, listen here. Here example is there. For that example related to what? Plane of symmetry. Okay. Just here. In this case, I am going to put a plane like this. Okay. You have to put like this also, no problem. Okay. In this case, I am going to put a plane like this. In this case, I am going to get a similar atom. Here H is there, no? Here H is there. This is called one plane of symmetry. Here H is there. Here H is there. This is what? Another plane of symmetry. In this case, what happens? The plane of symmetry is possible. In this case, plane of symmetry is possible. If the plane of symmetry is possible, that is optical inactive or do not show optical activity. Better you have to remember optical inactive. Just here is there, no? If a molecule has a plane of symmetry, hence does not show optical activity. Does not show optical activity means what? Optical inactive. Okay, bear in mind. That's why this compound is optical inactive. If you want, you can write here optical inactive possible. Why optical inactive possible? Because of plane of symmetry. The plane of symmetry is a major role for find out the optical active and optical inactive. Okay. Next, listen here. In this case, I am going to put a plane like this. Here chlorine is there, here Br is there. Is it possible plane of symmetry? No. That's why just here hydrogen atom, in this case also hydrogen atom, plane of symmetry is possible. That's why this given compound is also what? Optical inactive compound. Any one of the plane of symmetry possible, that is called optical inactive compound. In this case, plane of symmetry is not possible between these two atoms, but in this case possible, no? That's why this is a optical inactive compound. Okay, perfect. This was make it perfect. This one. Okay, point. Next definition is what? Asymmetric carbon atom. Asymmetric carbon atom, chiral carbon atom, both are same. Asymmetric means what? A carbon atom which is attached to four different, bear in mind important, four different groups or atoms. Atoms or groups, both are different, but if sometime in definition, if you want, you can write atoms also. Okay, a carbon atom which is attached to four different groups or atoms is called asymmetric carbon atom. Don't bad the definition. With the help of the example, you have to remember and write. Just here example is there. This is the example. This is a carbon. This carbon containing what? Four different groups. Okay, one is Br, iodine, chlorine, hydrogen. This carbon containing four different groups or atoms, that is called what? Asymmetric carbon atom. Asymmetric carbon atom, another name for this one is chiral. Here word is there, no? Chiral. Okay, CHIRAL, that is indicate what? Chiral carbon. Chiral carbon means what? The carbon containing four different groups, that is called what? Chiral carbon. Bear in mind important, asymmetric carbon or a chiral carbon, the carbon containing four different groups. Just here, in this case I am going to put a plane of symmetry like this. Is it possible? No. I am going to put a like this. Is it possible? No. In this case what happens? No plane of symmetry. No plane of symmetry. Here point is there, don't worry. No plane of symmetry. If no plane of symmetry, the given compound is optical activity or optical active compound. Okay, is it perfect? No plane of symmetry, the given compound is optical active. If optical active is there, that is 100% what? Asymmetric in nature or asymmetric in carbon or a chiral carbon. Okay, that is why most important point, comparison between. Okay, just comparison between plane of symmetry means just you have to comparison between optical active compound, optical inactive compound. Optical inactive is there, plane of symmetry possible. If the optical active is there, no plane of symmetry. What I wrote, no plane of symmetry. Here one point is there, most important point is there, that is just here. What is that point? Bear in mind, okay. Just here, all chiral molecules have non-superimposable mirror image. Just here, all chiral molecules have non-superimposable mirror image, okay. Most important point. Non-superimposable mirror image means, in this case what I wrote, one example lactic acid is there, no, just I am going to write a lactic acid, okay. Here I am going to take a lactic acid, that is better to explain a non-superimposable mirror image. Here COH is there, here OH is there, here CS3 is there, here H is there, no, in this case I am going to put a mirror, okay. You know very well about that mirror, okay. Next, after that, in this case this carbon is there, this is I am going to get a what, OH, like this, COH is there, here H is there, next here is what, CS3. Just here these two are non-superimposable mirror image. All chiral molecules have non-superimposable mirror image. Just see, is it chiral carbon? 100% chiral carbon. CS3 different groups, OH different hydrogen, different atom, COH is what, different. This carbon containing 4 different groups. If the carbon containing 4 different groups, that carbon is asymmetric carbon or a chiral carbon, it can follow optical activity, no plane of symmetry. That is why in this case non-superimposable mirror image. Non-superimposable mirror image means very simple. Here one atom is there, okay. Here one group is there, means in this case if you put like this, you have to take out, this is put like this, in this case we are going to get a different, okay. That is why indicate what, that is non-superimposable mirror image, okay. That is why all chiral molecules have non-superimposable mirror image, bear in mind. Means what, they are going to ask you the given compound is optical active or inactive. Better you have to check it is a chiral or a another point is there, a chiral or similarity is there. If you want to check it is a chiral, 100% that is non-superimposable optical active compound, okay. All these points are most important, okay. Bear in mind, make it perfect. The next point are there, the next point is indicate what, that is called racemic mixture is there, definition of racemic mixture. That point we will study in next video. Thank you.